is happening, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Today's video is a hype reel video. I have been seeing this video go viral all over TikTok. Her handle is Jenny. It's called the Kiat Jude Dye. Kiat Jude Dye. I hope I'm saying this correctly. I'm probably not saying this correctly, but I have seen this challenge all over TikTok. Kiat Jude Dye is pretty much a dance workout, and it claims to bust stubborn belly fat, stubborn belly fat, and a lot of people have been saying that it has worked. They have lost a lot of weight. They showed befores and afters. It's just been a lot, and I'm just like, you know what, your girl is on a weight loss journey. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the reason why I am on a weight loss journey. I personally am not trying to lose so much weight. I don't feel like I'm too chubby or uncomfortable with my body. I just want to get to a point in my life where I feel happy and I'm healthier and I'm a leaner me. So put two and two together. Let's try this challenge. For day one of doing the Kiat Jude Dye, again, I don't think I'm saying that correctly, but nonetheless, it was actually fairly easy. The only thing that I did notice was that there were no instructions, and anything that doesn't have instructions when you're doing it for the first time, you're bound to do it incorrectly. So I don't think I was doing this correctly to start off with. But if you think about it, I mean, it says 5 minutes. You need to only do this exercise for 5 minutes. And let's be honest, 5 minutes is not a long time. So obviously a lot of people are gonna try this exercise, aka me. And you'll find yourself doing this exercise and you're like, okay, you know what, I think I've got the groove of this. And then you might find that tomorrow you wake up and you're not feeling well, which is exactly what happened to me. Spoiler alert. Okay, it was fairly easy. I was a little bit out of breath, but not too much. On day 2 of this challenge, it was pretty much the same. I felt like it was very repetitive, so I didn't shoot on day 2, but here's day 3. Again, I don't know if I'm doing this right because there isn't any clear instructions on how you should do it. I did eventually find a lady on Instagram, I believe it was, that showed a video of herself actually doing the challenge. So I tried my best to kind of mimic what she was doing, and that's pretty much what I did. Day 4, I started doing the challenge. Everything was okay, but I started feeling a lot of discomfort on my lower back, and this is when I did a little more research, because sometimes you might do something and think you've done enough research, and then only to find that there's actually downsides to things. And I found out that this exercise actually can injure your back, because you're not even, like, the form is not really there, and you're only doing 5 minutes of it, so it's actually not enough. So here are the results. Or I don't know if you guys can see a difference. I really don't know if there was results. Comment down below if you guys think I did lose any weight, or if you guys see results. My verdict is, if you want to try it, just make sure that you get the form correctly, because getting the form incorrectly, like me, could really hurt you and could injure your back, and you could find yourself, like me, having to sit one out, because this challenge was actually supposed to last a little bit longer. For me, I was supposed to do it for like 10 days, but I ended up injuring my back, and I'm not going to put my body through too much strain just to prove a point. And just remember, guys, that you cannot spot fat and lose fat at spotted areas. You really need to lose fat overall in order to lose fat. So I'm on this wellness journey with you guys, but while we are on this journey, it's important to be safe and do things that actually are good for us, and do enough research so we don't end up hurting ourselves. Because like you saw with me, it's so easy to go online, find something, and then try it, and then you injure yourself. But let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want me to try other exercises. I do have a workout routine that I'm currently following, so if you guys are interested also in seeing that, let me know down in the comments. If you guys are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.